We're gonna take a quick walk through and we'll show you what's going on. Just give me a follow right this way. On the left here is gonna be a bathroom. Right ahead here's gonna be a bedroom. Walk down the hallway. This is gonna be a sewing room / bathroom for the homeowner. Big hallway. Walk down and this will be like the breakfast nook area right here with laundry, washing and dryer right there. Pantry right here. Kitchen is going to go here. Dining room over there. And this is going to be a great room. All the way up. All the way up. And then we have a stone chimney, field stone chimney. So a lot of the stones come off of the property. Another hallway. This is another bedroom, bathroom. Master bedroom here with a master bathroom right here with a huge walk-in shower. Right there in front of you is a mock-up of the front door that's going to be here. The one behind it was 6 foot. We put up a 6 foot round door. Wasn't big enough, so we went right ahead and put the 7 foot door right on the 7 foot round right on top of that, and that's going to be our door now. So here we are. Until next time, we'll see you then.